Welcome back to Guide with Samuel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create social media captions for brands using ChatGPT. Let's get right into it, guys. Social media captions play a crucial role in engaging your audience and promoting your brand effectively. When using ChatGPT, provide clear details about the brand's voice, target audience, and the message you want to convey. For example, you might say, write engaging and friendly Instagram captions for a sustainable fashion brand targeting young adults. ChatGPT would generate creative, catchy captions that align with the brand's identity and resonate with the audience. You can review and tweak these captions to add a personal touch or include relevant hashtags to increase reach and engagement. Remember to keep captions concise but impactful, encouraging followers to like, comment, or share. Using ChatGPT to generate multiple captions ideas can save you time and help maintain consistency across your social media channels. And that's that, guys. Now you've learned how to create effective social media captions for brands quickly and professionally with ChatGPT. If you found this useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.